Before sewing, it is important to know the right and wrong side of your fabrics. What is meant by right and wrong side? The right side mean to be visible from the outside of your garment for everyone to see. This is the right side. While the wrong side is the side that will be hidden inside. In some fabrics, it is easier to find the right and wrong side, but in most of the fabrics, it's trickier to find the right and wrong side. In this video, I am going to tell you some tips so that you should be able to identify right and wrong side of your fabrics. The first and most obvious way is see if the right side looks different from the left side. This is right side and this is left side. It's like this, and also print is there too, but right side is brighter and left side is lighter than the right side. So this is the right side and this is the wrong side. In case of solid fabrics, there is no difference between right and wrong side. So take the fabric up to the light to check any difference between two sides. Choose which one you prefer and make sure to keep your fabric same when cutting your fabric to keep it consistent. And the second option is check for printing on the selvage. Like this, there is a print on the selvage. So this is right side and this one is wrong side. If there is no print on the selvage, like no brand mark, then how to differentiate the fabric? Then examine the selvage more closely. What is selvage? This is a selvage. Some selvage have pinhole in them, like this one. From manufacturing process, these holes are usually inserted from wrong side. Run your fingers on the fabric. If you feel raised dots on the one side, then it will be the righter side. I'm feeling raised dot on this side, so this is the right side. Check out this fabric. Dots are more visible on this fabric. These are dots. So run your finger. When you feel raised dots, that side will be the right side. I am feeling raised dot on this side, so this one is right side. If you still can't find the difference between the right and wrong side, like this fabric, it is hard to find the right and wrong side. Both side looks right side. Pick one side. I am picking this side. Pick one side and mark which side you choosing, so you can easily see which side is which one sewing. So I'm marking this one as right side. Let's talk about what is selvage. In the previous topic, I told you about selvage. Selvage is basically a self-finished edge of the fabric. This is the selvage. In other fabrics, this is selvage. Every fabric have selvage. Selvage keep it from unraveling and fraying. The term self-finished mean that the edge does not require additional finishing like hemming. This is all about today's lecture. Hope you are able to know the difference between right and wrong side of your fabrics. Thank you.